Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So here I have drawn the figure of triangle. Then the ratio of the sides given, it is 12:17:25. So we can consider A equal to 12x, B equal to 17x, C equal to 25x. Given perimeter equal to 540 centimeter. Given perimeter equal to 540 centimeter. That is A plus B plus C equal to 540 centimeter. That is 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540 centimeter. That is 54x equal to 540 centimeter. X equal to 540 divided by 54. That is x equal to 10 centimeter. A equal to 12x, that is equal to 12 into 10, that is equal to 120 centimeter. B equal to 17x, that is equal to 17 into 10, equal to 170 centimeter. C equal to 25x, that is equal to 25 into 10, that is equal to 250 centimeter. So let us write A equal to 120 centimeter, B equal to 170 centimeter, C equal to 250 centimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is equal to 540 divided by 2 equal to 270 centimeter. S minus A equal to 270 minus 120, that is equal to 150 centimeter. S minus B equal to 270 minus 170, that is equal to 100 centimeter. S minus C equal to 270 minus 250, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to root of 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Since all are the multiples of 10, let us factorize it as a product of 10. So we can write 270 as 27 into 10, 150 as 15 into 10, 100 as 10 into 10, 20 as 2 into 10. Now let us write all the tens together. So we get root of 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 27 into 15 into 2. Here you can see 2 pairs of 10 we got. The remaining all numbers we need to factorize. You can see 2 is a prime number. We cannot factorize again. The remaining 3 composite numbers let us factorize. So here you can see the prime factorization of 27, 15 and 10. 27 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. 10 divided by 2, 5. So let us write all that values here. So that is equal to root of 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. Now let us write it in pairs. That is equal to 10 into 10 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is equal to 9,000. So the area of triangle equal to 9,000 centimeter square. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.